Comrades, let's take a look at the mechanical punk. What cool machines have I brought for you today? The paper cutter blade is extremely sharp. It can easily cut paper and printed materials of various thicknesses. The working principle of the differential gear. This is a 3D printed sausage car. It is equipped with a 72-volt engine. It can run 25 to 30 miles per hour. 3D additive printing is also known as 3D printing or additive manufacturing. It is a manufacturing technique that builds three-dimensional objects by adding materials layer by layer. To build three-dimensional objects, it can be seen that this is a self-aware writing robot. It can correct its mistakes in a timely manner, using a slotting machine to slot the printed cardboard. Teach you how to utilize the limited resources in your hands. Making a slingshot with bamboo and balloons. Powerful force. It can easily hit objects more than 10 meters away. This is a simple weapon made using discarded umbrella frames and bamboo. A simple weapon. The projectile is a sharpened bamboo section. Let's take a look at its power. Swiss-type CNC lathe. It is an advanced device used for the machining of precision parts. Through high-precision spindle and tool movement control, it can efficiently and precisely process small and complex parts. It is widely used in the manufacturing of precision hardware shaft parts. At this moment, we can't figure out what the Sanji is going to do. Faced with such a scene, I guess Sanji can only use the roar of the tractor to cover up his helplessness. Lawnmower. It is a machine used for mowing large lawns or farmland. It has the characteristics of high efficiency and labor saving. First, heat the preform to a softened state. Then, place it into a blow molding mold. Inflate it with high-pressure air. Make it fit the inner wall of the mold, forming the shape of a bottle. Finally, fill the bottles with treated water through a machine and seal them. This is a pipe cleaning machine. With a high-pressure water flow sprayed by the machine, it can effectively remove dirt from the surface of the pipe. The beer filling process. You might think this is a bit wasteful. Your worries may be a bit unnecessary, because the part that flows out will be used in the next batch. Eventually, it will still go to market for customers to enjoy. CNC pipe cutting machine is a high-precision and highly efficient automated equipment. Through computer numerical control technology, it can achieve precise cutting of pipes. Using a CNC milling machine to mill the cylinder head of the engine, to ensure the flatness of the cylinder head surface. Finally, I wish everyone a happy time on the toilet.